What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. It's a great day today for Galaxy Watch users. Samsung has started rolling out a brand new update for most of the Galaxy watches which were released in the last couple of years. Now here we have got a bunch of them and one of these watches did not get the update yet. I will talk about it in a bit. Now first let's take a look at what is this update all about. Let's start with the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Now let's go to the settings here. I'll tap on settings. Let's go to software update. You can see this orange dot here. Let me tap on this and tap on download and install. You can see it is telling me to update the watch because I have already downloaded the update here. And let me show you the update details. It says stability and reliability device behavior has been improved. Security of the device is protected with improved security. After updating, you will not be able to downgrade to the old software because of the updates to the security policy. Now, let me show you the details of the update here. You can see the One UI watch version is 8.0, of course. Then we have got the version number ending with ZB1, AZB1. And the size is actually pretty huge. It's 423.66 MB. Now this is a fairly large size for the security patches. This should improve the performance and battery life maybe. Let's wait and see how it goes after the update. Let me scroll down here. It says clearly here it is February security patch. So this is the latest patch that we have got for the Galaxy Watch 8 series. So that's the all new update for the Galaxy Watch 8 series. Now what we're going to do is we are going to install this update here on this watch and let's wait for the installation to complete. Now let's go to the next watch, that is the Galaxy Watch 8 regular. Now this is the regular version. Even this watch has got the update. Now this one here that you saw is the Bluetooth variant. This is the LTE variant. Let's go to the settings and tap on software update. You can see it's good to see Samsung releasing the update for both LTE as well as the Bluetooth variant simultaneously. Usually the LTE variants get the update later after probably a month or so. And sometimes you'll have to wait indefinitely. But this time we have got the update simultaneously. Let me tap on download. Now you can see I have already downloaded the update. Same changelog we have got. Let's check the size here. Again, it's the same size, about 428.96 MB, which is pretty big. Now the version number ends with AZB4 here on the Galaxy Watch 8 regular. Now this is the 44mm variant that I have, and a great watch. I prefer using this watch almost every day because of how light this watch is. Even though the battery life is kind of a day and a half, I definitely love this watch. Now let's go to the next one. Let me first install the update here. It says 30% battery I need. So let me put this on charge and then I will install this. Now moving on to the next watch, we have got the Galaxy Watch 7 here. This is the Bluetooth variant. I'm not sure about the LTE variant. Let me know if you have got the update or not. Let's go ahead and check this. Software update, download and install. Again, I have not installed it yet. It is getting installed now. Let me just turn on the Wi-Fi so that the download begins here. Now let me go down here and show you the details here. Again, it's a security patch. This has got 390.13 MB size here, as you can see. And the security patch is February 2026. So the Galaxy Watch 7 also has got the security patch for the month of February, which is great to see. And again, the size is slightly bigger than usual. So let's hope that this improves the battery performance as well as the overall performance of the watch. Let's go ahead and install this. It's downloading. I'll install this in a bit. The next watch that I want to talk about is the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra, Galaxy Watch Ultra basically. This is the 2024 version and this is the LTE version. Now on this watch, let's go ahead and check out the update. You can see there is no orange dot here and I don't think we have received the update yet for the LTE variant of the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Now, if you have got the update, drop a comment and let me know. That will benefit the community. You can see that at the moment, this watch is not updated, at least in my region. Of course, this has only LTE variant, so there is no Bluetooth variant for this watch. And for some reason, update is not available yet. Let's hope Samsung updates this watch also soon. Now, let's go ahead and check out the update for the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. This is a 2-generation old watch and let's see if we have got the update for this watch or not. Let's go to software update and tap on download and install. It says the watch is up to date. So the Galaxy Watch 6 did not get the update yet. The last update, let me check. Let's go to about watch, the software information here and the security patch. is for January 2026. Now this watch has already got the latest patch, whereas the Watch Ultra, if you see, this is I think around November security patch, and these were around November or December security patch. This one is already on January patch, and February patch may not come for this watch. We may get the March or April patch on the Galaxy Watch 6 series. I'm not very sure about it, but I'm just guessing because all those watches which are currently on the W1000 chipset have got this latest February patch, and the predecessors did not get it yet. So let's wait and see. I'll keep you posted if we get a new update for the Galaxy Watch 6 series. Now these are the watches which have got the update, and let's hope that the watch performance will improve and the battery life would improve. Now I'll not be testing this watch in this video. Probably I will use these watches over a period of next few maybe couple of weeks and see the performance and get back to you guys how is the watch performing, and you can let me know how is your watch performing in the comment section. Share the battery performance results and the overall performance in the comment section. That will benefit the community. Now there is something more that I would like to talk about, and I would like to inform you guys that Samsung will be coming up with Galaxy Watch 9 in the next few months, and they will be powered by Snapdragon Wear Elite chipset, which may make a big difference when it comes to battery performance and the overall performance of the watch. The application opening speeds, the touch response, and the battery life is going to improve. And let's hope that the regular Galaxy Watch with Snapdragon Elite Wear Elite chip would offer at least about 2 to 3 days of battery life. I'm just hoping for that. Just keeping you guys informed that if you're waiting to upgrade to a new Galaxy Watch, just wait, hold on to that decision. Wait until the Galaxy Watch 9 series launches and then take a call. That is something to keep in mind. That's all I want to share with you guys in today's video. Let me know whether you got the update or not. Drop a comment. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And we also offer a beautiful wallpaper application called Wallverse. If you're interested, you can go ahead and download it. The link for the application is in the description. There are some beautiful collections on the application. We've got both free and premium wallpapers on this app. The collections are actually amazing. There are tons of them. So do go ahead and check it out. That's all I want to share with you guys. Thanks a lot for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.